Welcome to Appetite for Cooking. On today's episode, we are making Jamaican festival. The ingredients for this recipe will be 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of water, and 1 egg. And finally, everything will be fried up in some vegetable oil. Now I am adding into the food processor the dry ingredients with the butter. I will combine everything and the mixture should be the texture of uncooked oatmeal. If you do not have a food processor, you can mix everything up by hand. Okay, that looks good. Next, we will add the wet ingredients to this mixture. Okay, now it's time to add the remaining ingredients. So I've already added the egg. Keep in mind that egg has to be beaten a bit before you do add it into the dry ingredients. Now we're slowly adding in the water. And the whole purpose of the water being added in is to make sure that dough is manageable so that we can shape it to get it ready for frying. So add that water in very slowly and work it in to the mixture. If you saw my fried dumplings episode, this is similar to making a fried dumpling. Just so you have a reference. Okay, everything has been worked in. So now we're going to have this dough sit for about 2 minutes. Let it rest. And then we will be ready to fry it up. Okay, it's time to start rolling the dough to get it prepared for frying. So let's take some of this. And we're going to shape it in a cylindrical shape. Okay, time to fry up some festival. And the final one. Okay, these are all the festivals that have been draining, so we're now ready to plate that up. Okay, there you have it. Jamaican festival. We fried it up, and this is how the result looks. Doesn't it look great? And look inside when you break it open. Very good textured cornmeal and flour. It's a nice light batter. Very good. Very good. So I hope you do try this recipe yourself at home. And thank you for joining us on another episode of Appetite for Cooking. And we'll see you on the next episode.